What's up, Glam Beauties? This is just an extension of my makeup room tour. I cannot believe I forgot about a whole row of drawers on my Alex desk. I guess hey, I was just in a rush trying to hurry up and get this video over with. But let's go on and get started. This is where I keep all of my eye pencils here. This is all of my black pencils. This is all my multicolor pencils here. This is where I keep all of my pencils that has glitter in it. And this is just nothing but backups. The next drawer is my glitter drawer, which this houses nothing but glitter. All of my glitter products. Let's see. Let's move this here. I have the moon dust palette. I have the Too Faced glitter palette, and I have the Melanie for Girls pressed pigments, well, pressed glitters. And then I have my eye palette, which this here consists of all of my Morphes. Nothing but Morphes in here. And counting. My Jaclyn Hill, my James Charles is at the bottom. Hold on. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's almost impossible. That's my James Charles, and those are all Morphe. All Morphe right here. And I just have one Jaclyn Hill palette out of the bunch. I didn't want to get any more because I had got her second installment palette, so I didn't think I needed it. Then this is another eyeshadow palette, and this consists of a lot of BH Cosmetics palette. These here, and I think everyone have these here, is when I first started, so these are gonna always stay in my collection. Like I said, these are just miscellaneous. I have Crown back here, one Elf big palette that I don't think I've used yet. And then this is my wipe and face mask drawer. Alright. These house a lot of wipes, and of course all these face masks right here. I have to try this from here out. I just got this in BoxyCharm, I think. Yeah, it was this month in my BoxyLux, I believe. So, I do believe that will be it. And again, hey, it is what it is. I apologize. I must have been moving so fast, and it just hit me all of a sudden. I didn't do the rest of my Alex drawer. I guess I was trying to hurry up and get the video over with. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, homies. Until next time, smooches. Bye-bye.